Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, this cool right here, and basically what this is some Spacesaver bag. And you can see it's from the brand called Spacesaver. So basically what these are some vacuum storage bags. And the one that we got right here is a variety pack. So let's get 2 small, 2 medium, and 2 large. They do have the option available if you guys want to get like all large, all medium, or all small. But I want to get the variety pack to actually see what's included and show you guys what each size looks like. So you see the back right here, they provide you guys instructions to teach you guys how to use the product. So let me actually open this up to show you guys what's included inside first. Alright, so when you guys first take out the product, this is basically what's included inside. So right here are all 6 bags that's included right here from small, medium, and large. Right here they provide you guys the sealing accessory that you can use to seal up the bag. And then here's some more as well. And right here they provide you guys a free hand pump. So you definitely use that to actually vacuum the actual product. If you guys don't have the correct like vacuum cleaner or whatever. And that is basically everything that's included in the actual product. Let me actually open up each one of these bags to show you guys how big it actually looks like and what it actually looks like first. Alright, so here is the first one. This is a small size. If you can see, it's not like super big or anything, but definitely big enough if you guys want to put like underwear, t-shirts, or whatever. Next size that we got right here is the medium. If you can see, the medium size is definitely a little bit bigger than the small one. If I put a side-by-side comparison, you could definitely see how much bigger the medium is compared to the small one. And then for the last one that we got right here, this is the large one. So you can see for the large one right here, it's definitely pretty big as well. So this one right here is definitely bigger than the medium and bigger than the small one as well. So if you see a side-by-side comparison of all 3 of these right here, the left one right here is the small, and the right one right here is the large. So definitely the large right here is big enough if you guys want to put like your comforters or whatever inside right here. I would say maybe you guys can fit like 2 or 3 comforters inside right here. And then if you guys want to fit small stuff in the small one right here, you definitely can. Like I mentioned earlier, if you guys want to put like towels, if you guys want to put like underwear, t-shirts, you definitely put all of that on here. But this is basically actually looks like for all 3 of these sides right here. And each one they provide you guys 2 of them for a total of 6 of these right here. And also inside, you can see they provide you guys a little piece of paper to show you guys how to actually set the product and how to use it as well. And they also provide you guys instruction here as well. So you don't have to worry about not knowing how to actually set the product and how to use it. So this is basically what the product looks like. Let me actually go test this out to show you guys how to actually use it first. And then we'll come back and talk more about the product in a second. So we basically want to open up this part right here first. Once you guys open up this part right here, you can put your stuff inside. So whether you want to put your jacket, if you guys want to put your comforter, if you guys want to put your bed sheet, you can definitely put whatever you guys want inside right here. Alright, so that should be fine for now. So what we're going to do now is to get the seal it option to seal it back up. So you basically want to put this right here and zip it back up. Alright, so you probably want to do that one more time just to make sure it's completely sealed up. Alright, so that should be good. So what I'm going to do now is to get out the hand pump and actually pump out all the air from the actual bag right here. So right here is the hand pump. So I'm going to open up this part right here and then put the pump inside right here. So I just want to just insert this right here and screw it in. Alright, so once we got it in, you want to pump this to actually suck out the air. Alright, so that should be good. So basically unscrew it and put the cap back on top. So it definitely does work if you guys want to save space and everything, which is pretty nice. So obviously it'll probably take a little bit of time for you guys to vacuum out the air manually using the hand pump. So if you guys have the correct vacuum cleaner, you can definitely put it on here to actually suck out the air. But you definitely see the product definitely does work. Alright, welcome back guys. So now that it's a quick test of the product, definitely see that it actually does work. Actually works quite well. Super easy to install the product and super easy to use as well. Once you guys put like your clothes, your bed sheets, or whatever inside your bag, you can definitely actually seal it back up. On both the seal option and also the air valve option where you guys will pump the air out from the bag. Once you guys seal both of them up after you guys suck out the air from the bag, then you guys are basically all set. If as you can see from the test and everything, actually works really well. So that way you guys actually save a lot of space once you guys use the product. And I really like the fact that how they provide you guys the pump option on here, because there are some brands that does not provide you guys that option. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Not the unboxing and testing the product, not the answer question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product, I would definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want one or need one of these. Especially if you guys have a lot of clothes, jackets, comforters, or whatever. If you guys want to save some space and vacuum seal everything together, then definitely getting one of these right here are super worth it. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys, so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.